Hello, my students of class 7 standard. So, today I'm going to start part 2 of the literature chapter number 5, that is Daddy Long Legs. Okay, now let's start the chapter. As I told you, part 2. In last class, I told you about part 1. Now, part 2, you see, starting from here, Jerusha's guilty expression this time was not assumed. Assumed means it was not known. She was guilty. So, why Jerusha Abbott was guilty, students? Jerusha Abbott was guilty because in her, what happened is, I am going to tell you, Blue Wednesday. So, I told that she has written one essay, Blue Wednesday, and it was been liked by everybody, by Mrs. Pritchard, the owner of the orphanage, and that black shadowy man, and Mrs. Lippett and her rhetorical teacher also. But in Blue Wednesday, no, she has written many bad things about her orphanage. In part 1, I told you she was not liking her orphanage, and she was not, she was not comfortable about her orphanage. Since Jerusha ke paas koi option nahi tha to stay in an orphanage, she used to stay, but she was not liking the orphanage. So in Blue Wednesday, she wrote many things about bad things about our orphanage. She wrote about Miss Lippett also. Yeah. And she was guilty. Oh my God, my whole this essay has been read before the committee, and I have written many bad things. But उसका जो लिखने का तरीका था, her way of writing, her style of writing, ये बहुत अच्छा लगा लोगों को, that this girl is writing very nicely. Though she is writing negative also, she is putting her words in a very proper order. That is why that black shadowy man or Daddy Longlegs was so much impressed that he gave funds for her to become a writer. Now, here you say appears to be immoderate. Immoderate means it is not sensible. Hard word meaning I have written. When I will send you the picture, you will get it. On the strength of that impertinent. So impertinent, student, means it is a disrespectful paper he has offered to send you to college. So Mrs. Lippett and also the owner of this orphanage told, I don't know what that person has seen in you. Though you have written very disrespectful, unsensible things in your this essay, though उसके बावजूद उसने उनको तुम्हारा essay अच्छा लगा, and he want to you to go to a college. Now Jerusha is telling, to college? Jerusha's eyes grew big. Mrs. Lippett nodded. Nodded means, to shake her head. Ah, yes. He waited to discuss the terms with me. Terms means conditions. They are unusual. The gentleman, I may say, is erratic. Erratic means stupid, mad. He believes that you have originality and is planning to educate you to become a writer. So here, the owner of the orphanage is telling, I don't know what that man has seen in you, Jerusha, but I think वो कोई पागली इंसान होगा जिसको तुम में कोई खूबी दिख गया, and he want you to become big writer, and for that he want you to send he want you to go to college to pursue your further education. A writer? Jerusha's mind was numbed. Numb means उसका दिमाग सुन्न हो गया. A writer? हम तो ऐसे ही लिखते थे. Now who wants me to become a writer? क्या हम लेखक एक writer बन सकते हैं? She was thinking and she was surprised. That is his wish, the owner of this orphanage told. Whether anything will come of it in the future will show. Shall I tell you the summary, students, of this? Yes, this last paragraph. Now, the owner of this orphanage told, and Mrs. Lippett was also, दोनों साथ ही में ये सारा बात कर रहे थे. पता नहीं हम लोग को कि उनको तुम में क्या ऐसा दिख गया, but he want you to become a writer. Even we are surprised at how you can become a writer. You write nicely, but you have written many, many bad things about our orphanage. And she was very ashamed also. Who? Jerusha. Next one, what happened is, see here, we are in the last part. Now, shall I tell the summary, students? I know you people are interested in summary only. But please read the lines very carefully here. Now, here you see I have underlined $35 a month. Now, the owner of that orphanage told you daily, not daily, every month you have to write one letter to each. So Jerusha was sitting quietly and she was hearing everything. Then Jerusha told, then again they told, that for writing one letter you will be paid $35 a month. Students, $35 in Indian rupee में convert करेंगे तो कितना होगा? It will be something 2041 rupees, लमसम घींच घाच के 2500 bucks. तो इतना तुमको मिलेगा सिर्फ एक लेटर लिखने के लिए. एंड जेरूशा आस्क्ड कि आपको लेटर में लिखना क्या होगा. देन मिसेज लिपिट टोल्ड, ये मेंशन नहीं है, मेनी थिंग्स आर नॉट मेंशन बट आई एम टेलिंग यू. Jerusha's matron told that you have to write about you, about your upbringing, about your academic upgrading, about your performance, और कुछ लिखने का ज़रूरत है और क्या क्या न्यू अपडेशन एंड ऑल दैट. बस अपने ही बारे में और ये सारे के बारे में लिखना है. कुछ कुछ एनवायरनमेंट के बारे में भी लिखना है. तुम्हारे एक लिखाई पर यू विल गेट 35, हाउ मच, $35 अ मंथ. तो ठीक है भाई, आई विल राइट लेटर. जेरूशा थॉट के ठीक है, लिखना ही तो है, लिख देंगे लेटर और क्या. बट जेरूशा आस्क्ड, नाउ हियर सी दीज लेटर्स विल बी, वो मनी मन सोच रही थी, लेकिन अगेन द ओनर ऑफ दिस ऑर्फनेज टोल्ड दीज लेटर्स विल बी एड्रेस टू मिस्टर जॉन स्मिथ. इफ आई वॉन्ट टू राइट लेटर टू समबडी, ऑफकोर्स आई हैव टू पुट एड्रेस ना. तो दिस Jerusha asked, ये लिखा नहीं हुआ बट आई एम टेलिंग यू, Jerusha asked, okay, I have to write a letter, but whom I should write a letter? You people are not telling his name because his name is not been told in this full chapter. क्योंकि उन्होंने वो gentleman, shadowy man, daddy long legs man, he told not to reveal his name. Okay, तो बोल के नाम नहीं पता, आप लोग बता नहीं रहे हैं, तो किसके नाम पे लेटर लिखना? Whom should I address to? Then they told you have to address to Mr. John Smith. Whenever you will write a letter, you have to address to Mr. John Smith. Okay, students? And he will read your letter, and this, if you have any problem regarding the letter or anything, you will contact his secretary, Mr. Griggs. Now let's count from part 1 and part 2 how many characters you have learned. First of all, the main Jerusha bought the main character, Mrs. Lippett, owner of the orphanage. His name is Mr. Grill or something. Next, fourth one, John Smith, duplicate name. It is not his real name, but duplicate name. John Smith, whom she will write letter to, and Mr. Griggs, secretary of that John Smith. Now these monthly letters, now look at my scale. These monthly letters are absolutely obligatory. Obligatory means you are not allowed to ignore it. You have to, it is compulsory on your part. They are the only payment that Mr. Smith requires. So you must be punctilious. Punctilious means you have to be very punctual. Daily, I mean every month, every month, one day, any day, you have to write this letters and you have to be very punctual. Okay. You cannot dare to ignore these letters. Okay. Trustee of the John Grier. Yes, I told you, John Grier home. What was the owner name, students? It is mentioned here. Please underline, John Grier home. John Grier home. Okay. So that person name was John Grier, and orphanage they used to call it as home. So ban gaya John Grier home. Jerusha's head was in a whirl of excitement. She was, of course, very excited. Who will not be excited if I will tell you to write something and you will get a high payment? सबको लिखना चाहेगा. She was excited too, but here this twist is there. What is that? Jerusha Abbott, it's very funny too. Jerusha Abbott was not excited because of the payment. She was excited, but that somehow she's coming out of that old orphanage and somehow she's getting rid of that, rude matron. Okay, her name is Mrs. Lippett. Okay, so she was chalo isse to chutkara mila. And she was very happy that chalo finally we will get to know about Mrs. This I will see the outside world, and कैसे भी हम यहाँ से तो निकल रहे, मेरे लिए वही बहुत बड़ा बात है. किसको लिखना है, कैसे लिखना है, वो सब हम I will manage, but हम यहाँ से छूट रहे हैं, निकल रहे हैं, that is only very much, it's a big thing. अब यहाँ देखिए, Mrs. Lippett, look at this. Mrs. Lippett detained her with a gesture. Gesture means gesture, indication. It was an oratorical opportunity. Oratorical. Oratical means golden opportunity, not to be slighted. You cannot ignore it, Mrs. Lippett told. Mrs. Lippett always used to consider Jerusha as a very abused child. Somewhere, if I say in a very general term of English, careless. तो बोलती कि अब ये इतना बड़ा अपॉर्चुनिटी तुमको मिला, नाउ डोंट इग्नोर दिस. I trust you that you are properly grateful for this very good fortune, Miss Destiny, that has befallen you. Not many girls. So the owner of the Mr. Griggs, he told Jerusha ki beta, I have full belief in you, and every girl doesn't get this opportunity as you are getting. So please utilize this opportunity. And ho sake to write some good points also about the orphanage. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. I think if that's all, I must go and sew a patch on Frederick Perkins' trouser. तो जेरूशा बॉट तो वो कहीं और लॉस्ट थी. शी वॉज थिंकिंग अबाउट हाई वर्ल्ड, शी वॉज थिंकिंग अबाउट गेटिंग रीड ऑफ द ऑर्फन एज, एंड शी वॉज थिंकिंग अबाउट गोइंग इन टू सीइंग द pink city of other college life and all. So she told ki ma'am, if your ma'am and sir, and if your discussion with me is over, so may I go, and I have to do some work. Sew means silna. Sew on Frederick Perkins trousers को उसके पैंट को ट्राउजर को सिलना है, उनको काम है. तो क्या हम जा सकते हैं? If you people will permit me. The door closed behind her and Mrs. Lippett watched it with a dropped jaw. Dropped jaw means she was shocked. Why she was shocked? Because here I'm telling you the full story. Miss only this line इसके बारे में. Mrs. Lippett was thinking that she will thank us, she will go into her knees, और वो गिड़गिड़ाएगी और माफ़ी मांगेगी, and she will be highly thankful, and she will go and she will वो इन लोग को थैंक करेगी, गले लगाएगी, हक करेगी. बट ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं कि वो एकदम नॉर्मल सा बिहेव की. ऑफकोर्स जेरूशा बॉट वॉज वेरी हैप्पी, बट वो हैप्पीनेस वो दिखा नहीं रही थी इधर मिड ईयर. एंड दिस मिसेस लिपिड मेट्रॉन वो सोचने लगी क्या लड़की है ये, इतना बड़ा खुशखबरी हम लोग सुनाए, सो गुड न्यूज़. शी इज़ नॉट हैप्पी देन ऑल्सो. ओके, लिव इट. शी इज़ लाइक दिस ओनली. Our story over, guys. So I have explained this chapter into part 1 and part 2. Please subscribe my channel so that you can get the new updates, okay? And I hope you have loved the chapter. Please read line by line. Any doubt, just ask me in my personal chat. Thank you. Have a nice day.